got my money.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, June 14th. I just decided to randomly vlog today because I don't have work. I just have a bunch of stuff to do. Like, I have to go to the dentist, I have to go grocery shopping, I have to meal plan, to go to the dentist. I don't know if I said that already.
You definitely did, girl. Get your life together.
I also have to clean up my room. Oh my gosh, my mouth is kind of swollen, so my voice is also like affected because of that. I'll also show you guys what I eat in a day. Holy, I'm in so much pain. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, hi guys, I'm in a lot less pain now. I know I sound kind of funny when I talk, and that's just because like of my issue I explained earlier. I'm currently watching one of my new favorite YouTubers, Grackle. She reminds me of like my personality because we're both weird, but I think her personality is way better than mine. Yeah. So I'm watching her and I'm currently cleaning off my desk because I've neglected it, and plus I need it to study today, so it needs to be clean. I also have to organize my skincare situation because I just kind of threw it into the little thing. I don't know if I want oatmeal. I should probably just have oatmeal, but an acai bowl would be colder. We'll see. I'm gonna finish cleaning my desk and stuff first before I decide to eat. And it's currently 11:43 and I have to be at the dentist for 1:30, so I have some time. And after breakfast, get ready for the day because I'm still in my pajamas, as you can see. I'm also going to plan my meals for the next week or two.
A few moments later.
Okay, so they changed my appointment time. It's 11:50 and my appointment's now at 12:30. And the place is like half an hour away, so I'm just gonna quickly grab some gas because I literally have none and I'm probably not gonna make it, so let's see.
Say, I got 20 women swimming in my brain. Yeah, I'm sitting in the goddamn
Stony Trail Ramp.
I'm gonna do whatever it is I want to, baby. I'm gonna do.
In 600 meters, merge onto Stony Trail Northwest, Alberta.
This time, I wonder what it feels like.
I just had my appointment and now I just have to drive back to the city. Now I know what was causing the pain and we're gonna treat that. So yeah, I have a 30-minute drive to the city, or approximately, and then I'm gonna grab my groceries and then get on with the rest of my day. I know it's kind of slanted. It's okay though. So I don't know if you can see, but it just started pouring outside and I'm so hungry. I just got groceries from Superstore and I'm just gonna pick up my prescription, and I think I might get Five Guys because I'm starving. I'm so hungry and I just don't have the energy to make anything right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Oh.
With you, I start to miss. With you, I start to miss. With you, I start to miss. What he do this time? Did he break your heart? I can tell you've been crying. I'll take it out on me and put your lips on mine. Let me take it wrong.
I got the goods. So I got an Oreo milkshake. And then I got a little cheeseburger with everything except grilled mushrooms because mushrooms are nasty. Don't come for me, but I said what I said. I'm gonna go home.
They respect that me. Always spread the love when I get back you.
Impatient. Holy crap, people. Oh, I feel like my face is swollen. It is swollen. It is swollen. Everyone who told me it wasn't swollen lied to me. They all lied. How dare you? I can tell, like, it's puffy, like, over here. My mouth's so dry. I need some chapstick. So Bazzi just dropped a new song yesterday and it's called Focus and it's with 21 Savage. My phone's connected to my Google Home. Let's see how it goes.
Love me, keep loving me. Know that I like you, me, especially.
That was so good. Honestly, the new music Bazzi's been dropping, just amazing. Like Paradise, love that song. Hey Google, play Come Through by Jeremy Zucker.
That song's only available for Google Play Music subscribers.
I have
but
a
try this Google Play Music Come Through station.
Hey Google, play Come Through by Jeremy Zucker.
That song's only available for Google Play Music subscribers. But try.
Before my camera dies, I had an ice cream, like one of those cyclone ones. I'll insert a picture like on the screen. And I haven't really had anything else to eat. And that's basically the vlog. I really hope you all enjoyed my first What I Eat in a Day. I promise my next one will be a lot better. Give it a like if you like the video. Comment down any suggestions that you may have for future videos, or just suggestions on how I can fix my What I Eat in a Days. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we're so close to 400 subscribers. We are at 372 subscribers right now, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you. Thank you so much for sticking by and supporting me throughout these past few years. I really do appreciate all of you. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.